Happy birthday, Rain, from Texas, USA. When you come to the States, this is what we want you to do.
Hi Rain, this is Pat from Cloud USA in Philadelphia. Happy birthday! Oh look, a Squall USA concert poster. All you have to do is fill in the date.
Happy birthday, Rain, from North Carolina.
생일 축하합니다, Rain, from Pensacola, Florida. I hope you have a birthday filled with love, light, and laughter.
안녕하세요, Rain. 이름이 타미입니다. 한글로. 생일 축하합니다, 지현 씨. many more.
Four, three, two, one. Friends forever. You and I in the clouds. Happy birthday from New York. I wish you were here for the cake. Bye-bye.
Hello, Rain. Happy birthday from your Canadian cloud, Dorothy from Ontario, Canada. 생일 축하합니다.
Happy birthday, Rain. This is Steph on behalf of Terry, your North American Clouds, and Cloud USA. We missed you and we hope to see you soon. Whiting.